Hello friends, my apologies for not making any videos for some time. Nonetheless, I tried to make a new video on the difference between accuracy and precision. Welcome to our exploration of two foundational concepts in measurement, accuracy and precision. Often we use interchangeably. These terms have distinct meanings in science and everyday life. Today we'll uncover the difference between the two and understand why they matter. First up, accuracy. This is all about hitting the target. When you measure something, accuracy refers to how close your result is to the actual or true value. In other words, if you are spot on, you are accurate. For instance, if you are measuring a liter of water and you get exactly 1 liter, you have achieved accuracy in your measurement. Your result is what it should be, reflecting the true quantity without error. Picture a dart hitting the bull's eye. That's a perfect example of accuracy. It's not just about being on the board, it's about being exactly where you intended to be. In the context of measurement, it's about capturing the true value as closely as possible. Moving on to the precision. Precision is not about the single spot you hit, but how consistently you can hit the same spot. It's the degree to which repeated measurements under unchanged conditions show the same results. In the lab, if you measure liquids and each time you get results that are incredibly close to each other, you are witnessing precision. Even if the measurements are slightly off the true value, the consistency of the results is what defines precision. Back to our dartboard. If you throw several darts and they all land in the same area, close together, you are demonstrating precision. It's the repeated accuracy of your action, regardless of whether you are hitting the bull's eye. In summary, while accuracy is about hitting the correct value, precision is about hitting the same value consistently. In an ideal scenario, we aim for both: to be right on the target, means accurate, and to be reliably repeatable, precise. Achieving both is the hallmark of good measurement practice. Thank you.